When I think of bold and brilliant colors or outdoor works of art that have a real wow factor, the first name that comes to mind is Dale Chihuly. Known worldwide for his unique large-scale blown glass exhibits, Chihuly has changed the way we think about glass.
Dale Chihuly is an American glass artist who has been working for decades and really perfecting his craft.
Combining the beauty of Chihuly's work with the natural backdrop of the Ozarks made Crystal Bridges the perfect home for a temporary exhibit in 2017.
One of the biggest challenges about putting this exhibition together was transforming this space that was relatively uncared for, and now it's a really accessible 1.1-mile walk that strolls through the Arkansas Ozarks. We bring artists from all over the nation to really be part of the story of American art. And when we're talking about living artists, it's great to be able to connect with them and really collaborate on what they do here. In this space, we will continue to add sculpture as soon as the Chihuly show goes away. So we will be doing that both in a permanent long-term way as well in a temporary way. So we will continue to have temporary exhibitions coming on an annual basis in this space. We are adding Buckminster Fuller's Fly's Eye Dome, and then really trying to show off the architecture of the natural forest, where you see these grand trees that are really framing artworks. And when you're in this space in the middle of summer and spring, it's an intensely green and active space, and these pops of color and experiences with individual artworks will really mesh nicely with the experience in the forest.
The intersection of nature, art, and architecture are core tenets of what we believe in here at Crystal Bridges.
Our team has put their heart and soul into developing this space, being sensitive and respectful for the history of these grounds, but they love the space and we love being able to present it to the public. At Crystal Bridges, we invite and welcome all. And it doesn't matter where you come from, how familiar you are with art or artists, we provide those opportunities for you to interface. So it's an easy step. You walk right in, the museum's collection is free, and then we create different experiences with exhibitions like Dale Chihuly to dive in a little more deeply on individual artists. So we're thrilled to be able to offer access to everyone.